Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about making pizza dip and nachos. So let's get right into it. Okay, the first two ingredients you want to make sure you have is your turkey sausage and your turkey pepperoni. Now, as you notice, this is just my choice. You can use ground beef if you choose, or just regular ground turkey. It's up to you, whatever your preference is. I just prefer turkey sausage and pepperoni. Okay guys, so you want to add your turkey sausage to the skillet and you want to make sure you brown that well. Then you want to go ahead and add in your pepperoni also to that same skillet. Next you want to go in with your mushrooms. You want to add that in with the pepperoni and the turkey sausage. Now I prefer the white portobello mushrooms, but you can choose whichever mushrooms that you choose or that you like. Okay, you want to let that cook down a little bit, and then you want to add some cream cheese to that meat mixture and give it a little bit of a stir. After that's all nice and creamy, you want to add some fresh spinach to the skillet. Put the spinach right on top of the meat and give it a stir. Now here's where we're going to add in a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then you want to add in some heavy cream. You just want to pour that in the skillet with your other ingredients. Okay, now guys, you want to add your favorite pizza sauce. It could be whatever brand, whatever you like. Put that on the mixture and spread it out evenly. Okay, after you spread that pizza sauce over the top, then you just want to add another layer of pepperoni. So now we're just layering. So add more pepperoni on top of that pizza sauce. Okay, then we're just going to continue layering, add some more mozzarella cheese, and then also more pepperoni. Okay, so when you get that all nice and mixed and all together in a pan, now it's time for the oven. You want to bake it at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes just for the cheese to get bubbly. So pop that in the oven about 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Look how cheesy and warm and bubbly that is. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so now it's time to make the nachos. Let's get it. Okay guys, so you're going to need to get some corn tortillas and you're going to cut those into triangles. I prefer the small ones. You can get whichever size you want, but the small one seems to work best since we're going to be making nachos with them. Okay, after those are nice and cut, you want to drop those in some hot oil and you want to fry them until they are golden brown. And that's it guys, that's the golden brown color that we're looking for the nachos. Golden brown and crispy. Okay, so now we just want to go back to our pizza dip and we want to get a nice scoop of that and dip it and put it right over those nachos. And there you have it guys, nice, warm, tasty, cheesy pizza dip and nachos. I really hope you like them. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!